Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can upload the videos and collect. Maybe you want to store your videos in collect application but you don't know how to upload it. So today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can upload your videos in collect. Please check the description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first you need to do is to open your collect application. Once you open your collect application, you'll simply need to tap on this plus icon. Once you tap it, you will see this add items. In here, since you're adding a video, tap on this photos or videos. And as you can see, at the upper part of your screen, you have this images, videos, large files, and more. So to upload a video, just simply tap on this videos. And now, you'll see the videos that are available to your phone. For example, we want to upload these videos. I'll just simply need to tap on it. And for now, we'll just click this sort later. And as you can see, item is added to your collect. There you go. If you wanted to know how to upload the videos in collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to upload the videos in collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.